IKEA Galant locking cabinet, small top drawer locks, file drawer below does not lock. Why?
Do you know the model of your IKEA appliance? How old is it?
Article number 403.651.25. It is new.
How long has this been going on with your IKEA appliance? What have you tried so far?
Been trying to build it for 2 days.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello and thanks for using JustAnswer. If everything is working correctly other than the bottom drawer not locking, my best instinct is a mistake in either the locking bar or the locking bracket on the bottom drawer. Please check the manual attached, https://www.ikea.com/a/n/assembly_instructions/galant drawer unit with drop file storage _AA20208472_pub.pdf steps 14 to 17 regarding the locking bar, and step 19 regarding which way the brackets align. If you have any further issues, please call IKEA for free, rather than paying for a premium service. 1###/P.
I called IKEA. They could help me. Couldn't. Step 19 just shows how to attach the front and back panels to the drawer.
Correct. One of the potential issues would have been if you had the front and back reversed, then the bracket for the lock would have been in the back rather than the front and the lock would not catch.
The instructions are very clear about front and back, so they are not reversed. Back is metal, front is white. I think I'll just return it. I've spent about 8 hours on this.
I completely agree, it was just one possibility. Is the locking bracket on the side of the drawer secure and in the right place? If you take out the top drawer and try to lock the unit, can you see if the locking bar is moving up and down or not? Also, if it is moving, can you see how it is missing the bracket on the drawer? IKEA does also book assembly services, though it may be cheaper to use someone through a gig hiring app such as TaskRabbit.
This is what is on the side of the drawer. It is to adjust side to side and up and down. IKEA said maybe the bottom drawer isn't supposed to lock. A locking cabinet and only the little drawer locks. Great. Nobody can look at my scissors and staples.
The bottom drawer does lock. What about step 44? The cover appears to be the portion that catches that locking bar.
When we put it on, you could unlock the top drawer. But bottom drawer didn't lock either. Thanks for your help. I think I'll return it.
The locking bar slides up and down and should be catching on the drawer when locked. If you can take out the top drawer and activate the lock, see if the bar moves up and down. If not, it's not connected properly. Steps 14 to 17. If it is moving correctly, then it's just not catching, in which case you need to open and close it, watching how the bar moves and see why it's not catching. I understand. I'm sorry I couldn't help further. Assembly issues are tough via only chat.
I will give you a good review. You really tried to help.
I do appreciate that. Thanks for using JustAnswer, and have a great weekend.
You too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.